What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be me doing my journal intro page, but I also wanted to show you guys how I've been printing out stickers lately. So I haven't necessarily been filling the sticker packs that I've purchased, or I've used all the ones that I really like. So as I scroll on Pinterest, literally like every day, multiple times a day. I always see a bunch of stuff that I like, and I just go in and I save it to a Pinterest board specifically for my junk journal. A bunch of stickers, different paper patterns, and what I do is I just save the ones that I really want to print or use in a spread as images. I go into Canva, I do an 8.5 by 11 sheet because that's the size sticker paper that I have. I load in all of the images onto the page, remove the background, and then I kind of start arranging them. Sometimes I'll do multiples if I know I might want to use multiples of that image or use them across multiple spreads. And then yeah, I literally just go in and try to maximize the space that I have just so I don't waste the paper. But yeah, do that. And then when it's time for me to print, I print in CMYK because it's supposed to be better quality for printing. And then I use my home printer, which is an HP. Most people use Epsons, but HPs are still pretty good printers. They have pretty good quality. And I use this Cricut paper. Now if you have a Cricut, you can also cut the stickers out. That would be 10 times easier, but my Cricut is broken. I need to get a new one. And this sticker paper, you don't have to get this kind of sticker paper. This sticker paper has like a vinyl waterproof top coat. You don't have to use that. You literally, all you need is the sticker paper, especially for something that isn't going to touch water. But yeah, once I print it, everything is all good. The only thing that the Cricut really helps with is actually cutting out the stickers. So yeah, super good quality. And on to me decorating my junk journal intro page. So I'm not gonna talk through this entire video, but I do definitely want to 1000% re-emphasize that junk journals are a personal thing. They're not meant to look a certain way. They don't have to look a certain way. It's okay to want to take things out, put things back in, or even go back and change them after you quote unquote finish them. I kind of struggle with how I wanted to lay this page out because I definitely was overthinking it and trying to match the aesthetic of my cover. But I ended up finding something that I visually really like, and I think lately I've been very into the almost like the Y2K 2000s 90s look, and I printed out a bunch of stickers that kind of reminded me of that when it came to like computers and tech. And I just ended up really liking it. I also incorporated some like graffiti style letters. I've always loved graffiti, but it takes a while for me to get there, and I actually do want to show you guys the trial and error that I do throughout the video. So yeah, just to re-emphasize that your junk journal is yours. You can change it however you like, and you don't have to necessarily show that process, and if you want to, you can. But yeah, everything is a process. Creating is fun. Creating is trial and error. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. And originally I did not like how this turned out, but after looking at it a couple of times, I'm like, okay, cool, I like the final result. So yeah, let me know if y'all liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, and of course give me a bunch of junk journal ideas. I will be trying to journal every day this week so I can do almost like a weekly junk journal or weekly creative journal video. I'm trying to create more content around junk journaling. I feel like it's a lot on TikTok but not enough on YouTube, and I really enjoy watching other people's. So yeah, let me know what y'all think of that, like a week in my junk journal. I think I like that. So yeah, something like that, like a week in my junk journal. But I'm done rambling. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think of the end result. Bye.
She been misfit, now she ready for the world. I want your energy, take control of me. I tried to go to sleep and seen her in my dreams. Just in case I run across to the day, I'ma stay clean. Just in case you recognize her face, send her to me and tell her I've been looking for her with a flashlight. You can't tell a nigga that because I got my cash right. And tell her if she understands, promise to stay true.
She's from Nicaragua, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm partying alone. Just wanna chill with you, oh no. I wanna turn up on, I wanna turn you on, I wanna lay with you, that's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see you, I want you to feel. And you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? And you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Kissing you in, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with the pro, come baby, fuck with the pro. When you gon' let me know, I've been kissing you slow.
Talk on my bitches on fast. Don't let that girl fuck anybody. She ain't catching everybody. Don't have to beat on anybody. Don't have to deal with anybody. Gonna be so hard to clean that body when I wanna yeah, I want to take her out the game. Who's the fucking plan? What's my fucking name? Yeah, I was my own. Only let you wrong. Hey, when a cute girl sees bad bitch, she tryna keep the bad bitch, do every shit, yeah, and don't mind me. Hey, when the bad bitch get that wrist on me, every time she saw her, and trouble, she want to fuck me, nigga, and thing. Oh my God, I can be that.
One of them ones. Western Road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are, and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning retirement, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner stores, I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound
I'm coming back, yeah.